Hi everyone, this is Jilu Anthony, Department of Retail Management, St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam. Today we are discussing on the topic elasticity of supply. Before coming to the session, we need to understand the meaning of supply. Supply is the quantity of good or service a seller is willing to sell or able to offer for sale at various prices during a given period of time. If higher the price, then more will be supplied and vice versa. Elasticity of supply refers to the degree of responsiveness of change in supply to a change in price. And it can be expressed as an equation that is percentage change in quantity supplied divided by percentage change in price. There are 5 degrees in elasticity of supply. They are perfectly elastic supply, perfectly inelastic supply, unitary elastic supply, relatively elastic supply and relatively inelastic supply. First one is perfectly elastic supply. In perfectly elastic supply, a small change in price causes a substantial change in quantity supplied. In this situation, the supply curve is a horizontal straight line and it is parallel to x-axis. And here, the elasticity of supply is infinity. Second one is perfectly inelastic supply. In perfectly inelastic supply, the changes in prices causes no change in quantity supplied. And here, the supply curve will be a vertical line and it is parallel to y-axis. And here, the elasticity of supply is equal to 0. Third one is unitary elastic supply. In this situation, the changes in price causes an equal proportionate change in quantity supplied. It is clear from the diagram. Here, if the price is OP, then the quantity supplied is OM. If the price is increased from OP to OP1, the quantity supplied also increases from OM to OM1. Here, the proportionate change in price, which is exactly equal to the proportionate change in quantity supplied. In this situation, the elasticity of supply will be equal to 1. Next degree is relatively elastic supply. In this situation, the changes in prices causes more than proportionate change in quantity supplied. Here, if price is OP, quantity supplied is OM. If price rises from OP to OP1, quantity supplied is also increases from OM to OM1. Here, the proportionate change in quantity supplied is more than proportionate change in price level. In this situation, the elasticity of supply will be greater than 1. Next one is relatively inelastic supply. In this situation, the changes in prices causes less than proportionate change in quantity supplied. And here, if OP is price, OM is quantity supplied. If price rises from OP to OP1, quantity supplied also increases from OM to OM1. And here, the proportionate change in quantity supplied is less than proportionate change in price. In the situation, the elasticity of supply will be less than 1. So these are the 5 degrees of elasticity of supply. Let us summarize what we are discussing so far. The elasticity of supply is the degree of responsiveness of quantity supplied to a change in price. It is necessary for a firm to know how efficiently or effectively to respond to the economic changes and market conditions, especially to price changes. There are 5 degrees that measuring the elasticity of supply. They are perfectly elastic supply, perfectly inelastic supply, unitary elastic supply, relatively elastic supply and relatively inelastic supply. I hope this session was useful for you. Thank you.